Okay, look.
Do it, do it.
Dakota, I'm not kidding. I'm gonna throw
Do
up.
it.
Don't make him do it. Right, stop. It's disgusting. What's your password?
Dakota, capital D, A-K-O-T-A. You're not gonna throw up. Shut up. You're such a baby. What are you looking at?
What am I looking at? I'm barred the fuck out right now. You should agree, monster, and tell me how you feel.
Don't
it's not
drink.
working. You can sign in.
I'm supposed to drink on Xanax.
And what did you do?
I drank on Xanax.
Can you say it louder?
I drank on Xanax.
And how much did you drink?
A lot.
That's what I feel like.
Alright, say goodbye, Ryan.
Goodbye, Ryan.